SAQA has been in existence for quite a number of years now. I'm guessing around 18, maybe 20 years plus. When obviously we went away from curriculum-based training, and then the CETAs came into play and all of that. And obviously we've heard about QCTO probably about 10 years now. Supposed to be kicking off again in June this year or taking over. Um, but for me, the main difference is actually that we're going from unit standard based again to curriculum based. So we're actually changing that part mainly. And then secondly, the qualifications are not as broad as they used to be. The learnerships used to be with SAQA or with the CETAs, where we would have, for example, done a business admin qualification that could fit into all sectors, where we would now specify a qualification, or our qualification is maybe not the right word, an occupational qualification or a trade into a very specific job or job specific qualification in that sense. So it's really more centered, where it used to be quite broad, will now obviously come into a specific job